Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening YouTube and signing in if you want personalized shortcuts and history. Once on the page, press / to jump to search immediately or tab until the search box is highlighted, then type and press enter. When thumbnails are selectable, use arrow keys to move focus and press enter to open a video. Make sure your browser window has focus, otherwise, keyboard shortcuts won't register. This gets you into content fast without touching the mouse. Once a video plays, you control it with a few consistent keys. Press space or K to play or pause instantly. J rewinds 10 seconds, and L advances 10 seconds, which is faster than dragging the bar. For fine moves, use left and right arrows, and adjust volume with up and down in about 5% steps. Press M to mute, and use number keys 0 through 9 to jump to positions across the timeline. These let you navigate precisely without leaving the keyboard. To finish watching efficiently, learn a few advanced keys. Shift+N and Shift+P jump playlist items, see toggles captions for accessibility, and the comma and period keys fine-tune playback speed. Use F for full screen and ESC to exit it. If something stops responding, click the video once to give it focus or reload the page. Browser extensions can also block shortcuts, so try disabling them if problems persist. These steps complete the keyboard workflow and help you recover quickly when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.